Hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to Office Adda 24/7. I hope you guys are doing good. So welcome to this special session where we will be telling you about the details of registration and examination with respect to your JIB. IIBF has recently come up with this notification where has cleared the dates as well as the registration dates and as well as the examination dates of the exams. And so we will be telling you in detail all together. All of us would be discussing about it and how should be the preparation strategy from now onwards, because now we have a clarity of our goal. We know the exams are starting from which particular date, when are they scheduled, which subjects will have ample of time for preparation, which will not have time. So accordingly, we can draft our strategy very clearly. And that is what we are going to help you throughout this session. Right. So I have the entire team of Officer Adda 24/7, where we have Nikita ma'am, Suprabha ma'am, Vishal sir, Harika ma'am, which will be guiding and mentoring you in this particular session. But before we move ahead, I would request you to copy the link of this session and share it in among your Telegram group, your Facebook group, your WhatsApp group, where your friends and colleagues are connected, or among those colleagues who are preparing for JIB exam. So, hello everyone.
Yeah, hello, ma'am. So, a
Hi, hi, hi.
very good afternoon to all of you. First of all, I would just like to Vishal sir, please, sir, tell about your subject and what preparation the student have to do for the so that they just clear the
Examination
exam in
dates
a single
also
and a first
once.
attempt. Yeah.
Yeah.
We can show the
Yes.
examination dates once and then
Yes.
Yeah, that's the important part. Let's show the exam dates first.
flagship courses.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So, as you can see that class, the registration fees is there. First of all, we have to see the registration fees for 1/8 to 7/8. The
No, no.
nominal fees, you have to pay the nominal examination fees. Then
This is
No,
the
no,
first
no.
attempt wala. This is
okay,
the
Yeah.
okay.
second attempt wala. Correct.
Yes. So
Above
this
it.
is the 1st of March. Registration date is 1st of March to 7th of March, and the normal examination fees you have to pay. Then thereafter, from 8th of March onwards till 14th of March, you have to pay additional 100 rupees. And above 15th of March, you have to pay additional 200 rupees. So the normal registration dates are 1st of March to 7th of March. So that is a 1 week, whole 1 week. And we have the examination date over here. That is 7th of May, Indian Economy and Financial System. 13th of May, PPB, Principle and Practice of Banking. Then we have 14th of May, Accounting and Financial Management of Banking. Then 21st of May, that is a Retail Banking and Wealth Management. So you are the JIB examination are going to start from the 7th of May.
Exactly. Yes, Vishal sir.
Yeah. So as the exam dates are nearing. Nearing means almost 2 months now. So 2 months and the time is limited. And importantly, you all guys will be having the March end pressure. So both the things combined, I would suggest you need to give at least 1 hour per day for the studies, because subjects have increased. And for that, what we are telling you is the batch which is starting just now. Okay, we should join the batches, because otherwise it's very difficult. The two subjects are totally new in JIB: Indian economy and retail banking. That was there for CIB earlier. Okay, retail banking was for CIB earlier. So Indian economy is a totally new subject. Even some part of the portion of PPB and accounting, those have also changed. Now it's coming specifically to retail banking. So this retail banking portion was earlier. Yeah, this is new. These two are new. Correct ones. Retail banking and wealth management. See, the topic of wealth management has been added. Wealth management means what? It's related to personal finance. So these two topics, along with retail management, make the subject a bit uh, tedious. You can call it, yeah. So that's why I would suggest you should join the classes which are coming up just now. We'll be giving the details of that. Yeah, ma'am.
Exactly. So, as you can know that from the 17th February, the new English medium batch of GIV is going to be start. So, if you want a complete package in which you can get the live classes, ebooks, and mock paper, so you can enroll the new English medium batch, which is going to be start from 17th of February. So, we are Niharika ma'am. Niharika ma'am, I think you will teach the accounts and financial management of banking. So, ma'am, what
Yes, ma'am.
preparation the student required for this exam?
Okay, one of the most alarming things about this examination is we do not have enough time for AFM. That's the negative point of this particular date sheet that I can see here is 13th we have the examination of PPB, and then without any gap you are going to go for your AFM examination. That means if you are preparing for AFM, you are losing every single day now. If you look at the subjects, earlier it was AFB. In terms of AFB, what has happened is, in terms of AFB, earlier it used to take a good amount of time already to cover the subject if you're giving hardly an hour a day to AFB. But now the subject has increased, and at the same time, they have also introduced the module D, which was earlier different, which was all theory earlier. Now the problem is in the module D, they have added costing, they have added taxation. So if you are not someone who has done these subjects earlier only accounting and financial management for everybody who didn't belong to this particular field, that was not the field of commerce, it was new to you. Now the challenge is becoming bigger and definitely difficult. So if we look forward to that, I think the most important thing at this point of time would be save your time. If you start early, only then you will be able to finish in time and have at least a revision again after the completion of your syllabus. And you will have to prepare your own notes as well, since you do not have time to go through the entire syllabus just in one night. So you have to understand that if you start right away, only then you will be able to handle that pressure of that half day, not even half day exactly, that you will be having. So you should be really vigilant about that part. What am I going to study? What are going to be my resources? And how do I pack it together that I can have a quick revision at the last moment? Because that revision gives you that base that when you are going for the examination, you're all brushed up.
Rightly
Thank
said, but okay. So I think Aman ma'am, she is going to take IE and IFS, and Niharika ma'am, she is going to take uh, that is accounting and financial management, and retail banking and wealth management. Vishal sir is going to take, right? So we have the batch over here.
So as you can see that if you want to just purchase a new English medium batch of JIB, so you can see that from 17th of February, your new English medium batch of JIB is going to be start. So here is the study plan. As you can see, the study plan of AFM and the study plan of RBWM. So if you click on this study plan of AFM, then you can see Niharika ma'am will teach you. The first 6 class will be the orientation or introduction class. Then after that, the regular paid class will be going on. Okay. And the timing of your this subject is 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Okay. So if you want to purchase this batch, simply you have to, first of all, click on this view offer, and you have to apply the coupon code, that is Adda 03. Okay. It's the Adda 03. So when you apply this coupon code, you can see that 80% discount is there in this batch. And in this batch, you will get the 2-way live interactive class plus ebook mock paper, and it will be the updated ebooks and mock paper. So if you want to purchase this batch, you have to apply the coupon code, that is Adda03. And if you want more discount, so you have to download the Adda app in the mobile. And through mobile, if you purchase, so there will be coins. So if you click on the coins, then you will get more discount in this batch. So Priyanshu ma'am, in this batch, what the new thing that we are giving to the students?
New things, as if new things is the revised syllabus.
Because you know the books are also coming, because many students depend upon the book, that we have to read the book, but the time is so much less. So is it possible, ma'am, that they will cover the book also?
So we will never say that, I would never say to not buy a book, right? Because it is always dependent upon a candidate whether they want to buy or not. But I'm sure, because again, this batch doesn't belong to me. I'm not the right person again to answer this question. I'm sure, but our team together has a tendency of coming up with the content which is, full-fledged, right? We don't leave a space where you want to go for a book. But again, I would say very clearly, it is your choice to go for a book. From our side, we always try to cover each and everything. But again, buying books or not buying book is a decision of a aspirant always. So I think I would leave this question on the candidate itself and the mentors who are actually taking care of the subjects in this particular batch, I think, right people to guide.
Actually, I'll to take this forward. Just one line I'll add about this. Books are essential. That's but obvious. But the point over here is the topic which we covered over here. It covers the entire portion. So it's not needed as such. If you want a second reading, then it's okay. Otherwise, just follow the classes, ebooks, test. That's enough for you in JIB for everyone. Because the teachers over here have gone through more than 25 to 30 batches of all JIB and CIB. So well-versed teachers, we know the portions. You are in the right hands over here. So that's why I would suggest it's a secondary part, whether you buy it or not. If you follow the classes, tests, everything, that's enough for you. Yeah.
Personally, if I have to add it up, I can say that practically, in terms of AFM, especially, it is not possible to go through the book or have the markings in that one day. So it is not practical that you rely on the book on that one day. So there, I can suggest you, if you're going for our classes, you will get the supplement. Ebooks are there. Then you have the revision batches going on. So there are multiple things which would help you. Even if you buy the book, it is definitely your call. But after that, you have to understand the practicality. If you're totally relying on the book and you are studying on your own, then the challenge is definitely way bigger than you can anticipate.
Exactly, ma'am. So as you can see that we have also the JIB ka Maha pack. So in the JIB ka Maha pack right now, we just put the 6-month validity. But today, if you purchase the JIB ka Maha packs, then you will get the double validity in the JIB ka Maha pack. And in this Maha pack, you will get English medium batches and the bilingual batches of each and every course. Okay. So right now you can see that all the batches, whether you can say that all the revision batches, video solutions, mock test series, live sessions, ebook, numerical batches, case study batches, topic wise question. It means everything is there in the JIB ka Maha pack, and it will cover the 2 session, that is May-June session and November-December session. It will cover this Maha pack. So if you want to enroll in this JIB ka Maha pack, so simply you have to apply the coupon code, that is Adda03. Okay. So if you apply the coupon code Adda03, then you will get the discount up to 80%. Okay. So see, 80% discount is there. So only you have to pay 6,559. This is the actual cost of this JIB ka Maha pack. So Suprabha ma'am, could you please see show us the JIB and CIB ka Maha pack?
Yes, sure, ma'am. See, if you're planning to buy JIB and CIB together, Maha pack, so we have the JIB and CIB here. And we have the 12 months, 12 plus 12 months validity here. In normal way, you will be getting 12 months validity, but here you will be getting the double validity. So that will be 12 plus 12 months, that is 24 months. And here also you have to apply the code, that is Adda03. So we have the 81% discount over here if you're applying this code through your Adda application. So we have 81% and the cost would be around 10,799 when you are using the code, that is Adda 03. So that is the code.
Exactly. So Vishal sir, Niharika ma'am, at last you just want to say student that how to prepare, and because time is very less.
Importantly, what I'll tell you is everyone, look at the fees part firstly. If you get the discount part and if you divide it by 24 or divide it by number of months, it's less than the amount which we spend on the monthly basis on the tea. Okay. And this is an investment for lifetime. Remember, once you clear your JIB, CIB, both the exams, you are way ahead in the banking system. Number one. Number two, for preparation part, everyone should give at least 1 hour per day for the studies, because 2 months are left, 4 subjects are there. So it's definitely required, number one. And you need a guide, a mentor. Okay. We are just like the road lights which we have. Okay. We always show you the way. After all, studies is to be done by each individual person. That's but obvious. Like ma'am told that taking down the notes is very important for everyone. So go do daily basis 1 hour per day or combinedly all subjects. I'm not saying per subject 1 hour. That's not possible. Even I know. So 1 hour per day for complete subjects and follow the classes. That's enough. Yeah.
Exactly, Vishal sir. So those candidates who are new in this session, so it's a better time if you just purchase this course. And daily YT sessions are going on. In the YT session also, we are doing the important question. So you have to attend the YT session, paid bash. In the paid bash, you will get the mock paper ebook. So I think in the last one is self-confidence. So if you people have a fight thing now, you will definitely crack your exam in a single attempt. Yes, Priyanshu ma'am, Niharika ma'am, last word. You just want to say something?
I would say all the best, and do remember that there is no negative marking in this particular attempt. So prepare accordingly and work very hard for this particular attempt. So all the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, Niharika ma'am.
If I really have to specify the points there, I think I'll go with that point again. Prepare your own notes, because if you have your own notes, then at least on that last day, you are not baffled. What should I do? From where should I study? You should be very clear regarding your sources, regarding your practice areas, and your mock test. What are you doing on that last day? Just plan everything for that last day. Automatically, your path will be according to that only. So go ahead and prepare well, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So, and thank you so much for attending the session. Thank you.